1968 Pontiac Lemans convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This car has been with the same family for the past 20 years and actually has never left the original area from where it was sold new back in 1968. Still retains the numbers matching Pontiac 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a numbers matching original automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome and the grille up front on this one. Color reminds me of tiger gold, I guess, which would have been a Pontiac color in different years. All right, still pictures. Check out the still pictures. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the underside here in just a bit too, but you're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots as I walk around this I'll try to point out. There is some spots where it shows its age, and I'll point those out as we go. Now, I mentioned the undersides. It appears that when this car was new, it was undercoated. Take a look at the underside pics. The floor pans look original, still retain the original undercoating on them. The rear inner rockers look like they're original. Frame was also undercoated. Some of that is peeled off, so there's scaling, surface rust, but man, undersides, check it out closely. We did not spray anything on it. We didn't want to cover it up. We wanted to show you the originality of it. All right, speaking of originality, Pontiac Motor Division, rally style wheels. White wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console, black vinyl top. It is a power top. I will show you that going up and down before the video's over. And of course, if you stick around to the very end, Jason is going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. As you can see, it does have a couple aftermarket speakers in the rear, aftermarket stereo that is working. I took the keys out. The original door chime or door warning is also working. Take a look at the dash. And we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer in a bit. All right, one area. Paint, kind of starting to check. Flake a little bit right there. I want to point that out. We'll touch up back here. Don't get me wrong, this car still will turn some heads, looks good. There's a few spots where the paint is showing its age some. It's one of those cars, get in, turn the key, go. Drive it, have some fun. Chrome in the rear bumper, and take a peek at that. Looking good. I always say there's more GTOs out there now than there are Le Manses because everybody's taking the Le Manses and clone GTOs out of them. So it just doesn't seem like you see these Le Manses as often. Parade boot or convertible top cover, I guess you should say, with it. There's the paint, yellow mica. Looks like what it's called. Also, I'm going to send along that 8-track player, go along with it. Also looks like there's an extra battery cable. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, check out that underside. Engine bay, interior. You're going to be able to see the stamps from the engine, the stamps from the transmission. You're going to see the data plate if you want to do any decoding. VIN tag, all of that in with the still pictures. You're also going to see original owner's manual, I believe it was with it, a partial build sheet, maybe some of the warranty information from when it was new. Technician noted exhaust was complete front to rear, but will need some attention in the future, I think just due to age. Does have new front and rear brake shoes. And typical, just some seeps from the drivetrain. This car, it's driven. It's, like I said, get in it, turn the key, drive it, go have some fun. Little spot where that paint is right here, similar to kind of by that rear deck lid. Let's take a look down the rest of the driver's side. If you like these Pontiac convertibles, this is a great body style, popular year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. All right. Let's take a look at the door panels first. Door panel looks good. The seats, not noticing any rips, tears, or holes. All right, let's fire this up. There's that original warning chime. That Pontiac 350 fires right up. All right, stereo. Let's get on a station that'll come in here. Like I said, I did have this working. Let's try that one right there. So again, the stereo system works. Let's take a look. Top of the dash. Nice shape. Door closes perfectly. Let's listen. Nothing crazy for exhaust, but it's a nice sound. Let's slip up to the front. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open. Got to reach down below for the release. So let me pause it a second. We're going to check out this engine bay. And like I said, I'll check out that convertible top, how it functions, condition, and Jason will take it for a drive. All right, underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. The numbers matching original V8. Power steering, power brakes. And remember, numbers matching transmission also. Running pretty smooth. Car you can get in and drive, have some fun. Let's check out the condition of this convertible top. I'll get the tripod out, get that set up. I'll show you how it functions. We'll be right back. And here we go, power top up. As you can see, top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up so we can see how that fits. Looks good over here in the driver's side. Black vinyl top, it does look like it's a newer top. I've not noticed much wear, let alone any rips, tears, or holes. And guess what? Glass rear window. Nice and clear also. Probably spends most of its time down compared to up. I can see why. Fun car. A little summer fun. And side glass over here on the passenger side, also a nice fit. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or maybe a shower, not going to be a problem. And again, back to the windshield, nice tight fit. All right, I will show you the top going back down and folding up. And then stick around a little bit after that. Jason's going to take this one for a drive. Same family for the past 20 years. 1968 Pontiac Lemans convertible, numbers matching engine and trans. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1968 Pontiac Lemans convertible, and we do have the top down today on this beautiful day in Minnesota. Our turn signal indicators are working. This car feels very original to me. It starts up and idles smoothly right away. Very responsive in the throttle. Let's see how she does out on the road. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Speedometer is working. It is reading fast. I'd say maybe 10 to 15 to 20 miles an hour fast, but it is working. Our fuel gauge does not have a needle. The rest would be warning lights. However, there is a clock on the right side. The blower motor works, the wipers function on this car. We also have a CD player and stereo in the dash.
Minnesota Valley Federal Credit Union.
You'll never know. And that's working as well. Like I was saying, for the most part, very original looking. Comfortable vinyl bucket seats in this car, center console. Factory horn is working as it should. That wood grain looking very late 60s and 70s. Looks good in this car against that colored paint on the outside. Smooth braking. Of course, power brakes, power steering. Pontiac wasn't afraid to do that to their cars. Makes them much nicer to drive. Corners as it should. Really easy to steer. Accelerates very smoothly. And as I was saying, this car runs as it should. Just idles nicely. It purrs. Happy to go down the road. Take a look at all the pictures of this Pontiac Lemans convertible from 1968 at uniqueclassiccars.com.